Meet the Oukitel WP100 Titan. It is a rugged phone on a completely different level, packing the world's biggest smartphone battery at 33,000 mAh, a built-in projector, a 1200 lumen camping light, crazy loud speakers, and cameras that include a 200 megapixel main sensor plus night vision. It's massive, it's powerful, and it's built like a survival tool you can take absolutely anywhere, from remote job sites to week-long camping trips, without ever worrying about charging. Let's quickly unbox the WP100 Titan and see what comes inside. First up, the Oukitel WP100 Titan itself. It feels solid and heavy. I put it aside for a moment. Underneath, you get some paperwork like the quick start guide and warranty card. And here's something unique, a detachable carrying handle with mounting screws. Oukitel also includes a 66-watt fast charger and a rugged USB-C cable to handle that massive battery. The WP100 Titan is unapologetically huge, built from reinforced rubber and metal, and fully IP68, IP69K certified for water, dust, and drop resistance. On the sides, you'll find customizable keys for quick access to tools, a sealed SIM tray that supports 2 SIMs at the same time but doesn't allow memory card expansion, and rounded volume buttons that are easy to press even when wearing gloves. The detachable handle attaches securely with 2 screws, giving you a solid grip and making it way easier to carry during outdoor work or travel. It feels sturdy in hand and adds extra convenience when you need to haul this big device around for hours. The USB Type-C charging port is well protected by a flap, and the speaker is located just above the charging port. On the back, there's also an NFC sensor for easy contactless payments and quick device pairing, adding even more convenience to this rugged phone. Overall, the build quality feels tough and uncompromising. This phone is clearly built to survive harsh conditions. On the back, there's a huge 1200 lumen camping light. Mounted right on the rear, this light is powerful enough to illuminate an entire campsite in complete darkness. I've even used it for filming when the light wasn't enough. It offers multiple modes, including low, medium, and high brightness, plus SOS and strobe modes. These come in handy whether you're outdoors, working on construction sites, traveling, or in an emergency and need to signal for help. On the front, the Oukitel WP100 Titan packs a 6.7-inch FHD+ display with a 2400 by 1080 resolution, vibrant visuals, and clean movie scenes. The 120Hz refresh rate makes scrolling and playback silky smooth. No stutters, no lag. Slim bezels keep the footprint manageable while preserving its rugged build, and the scratch-resistant glass, like Gorilla-level protection. Brightness is solid enough with 650 nits brightness, so even under direct sunlight, it stays easy to read and vivid. Oukitel even ships it with a screen protector already applied, so it's ready for action straight out of the box without you hunting for extra protection. Now here's the cool part, the built-in projector. This thing is legit. It pumps out 100 lumens of brightness and has auto-keystone correction, so you don't have to mess around trying to get the picture straight. You can beam movies, presentations, or games onto any wall or screen in seconds. And get this, even with sunlight coming through the window, you can still see what's being projected. So no need to be stuck in a dark room to use it. It mirrors your phone screen instantly, so whatever you're doing, watching a movie, showing a presentation, or even flipping through photos, it just works. The fan that cools the projector is really quiet, so it won't bother you during movies or talks. Plus, Oukitel made sure it has good ventilation, so it doesn't heat up even if you're using it for a while. Bottom line, it's not just a rugged phone with a projector slapped on, it's like having a portable cinema or meeting room right in your pocket. The Oukitel WP100 Titan packs a massive 33,000 mAh battery Comes with a 66 watt PD charger and supports reverse charging. This is the star feature. The phone can last up to 2 weeks with normal use and has an insane standby time of 6 months. That's exactly why I took it with me while traveling. Plus, with 18 watt reverse charging, I was able to keep my phone and tablet topped up during a non-stop gaming session on the flight. It's super handy when you're on the go and don't want to carry extra chargers. Under the hood, the Oukitel WP100 Titan runs on a capable MediaTek 7300 chipset with 5G connectivity, paired with 16GB of RAM plus an additional 32GB of virtual RAM and 512GB of storage. I ran the Antutu benchmark and got a solid score of 737,429. Heavy graphics games run smooth, like butter on warm bread. It handles everyday tasks, heavy multitasking, and 3D gaming without breaking a sweat. The WP100 Titan packs a powerful 200 megapixel main camera with a Sony IMX350 sensor, delivering sharp and detailed shots. It also features a 20 megapixel night vision camera that lets you capture clear images even in total darkness. For close-up shots, there's a 2 megapixel macro camera, perfect for tiny details. On the front, you get a 32 megapixel selfie camera that produces crisp and bright selfies. What's really impressive is the AI integration. The phone comes loaded with smart features like one-click background change, AI digital human effects, AI photography enhancements, and even the ability to remove unwanted subjects from your photos effortlessly. After showing the night vision video quality results, you'll get to see some photo and video samples, so you can judge the camera quality yourself. I'm filming myself from the front camera, which is 32 megapixel from Oukitel WP100 Titan. This is the result you get from the front camera. Looks pretty good, not bad. I'm walking slowly and oh nice. So while filming you can zoom in. This is 4x. Nice. 1x. Now I'm filming from the back camera at 4K. It does not show the FPS, but this is 4K. As you can see, the result looks pretty good. Not bad. Only the result. Okay, so this is 1x and it can zoom to 4x. The building is far from here and result looks good. Okay, so this is a result from the back camera as well. I am showing you if you do vlogging from this phone how it looks. The sun is very sunny. Wait a second. So now I'm walking slowly and I'm not using an external microphone. So this is the audio from the phone directly. And I will show you the running result as well, so you will know the stabilization. Yeah, it's a bit shaky, but the result overall is good. So the Oukitel WP100 Titan isn't just a rugged phone, it's a battery beast, a projector, a flashlight, and a solid work tool all rolled into one. If you need a device that can handle tough conditions, keep you powered for days, and even double as an outdoor cinema, this is the one. I've dropped the purchase link down in the description, go check it out. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next tech review. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.